Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Midu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, as you all know, in Midu Study we have Dream IIM series for CAT 21. Yes, your own very Dream IIM series, in which in 75 days and 75 videos we are doing the comprehensive coverage of CAT and becoming CAT ready. Already we have given more than 1/3 videos, and there are topics on multiple videos. Today's video, my dear friends, is on VA verbal ability part. In VA, our foundation part is over. So like I told you in starting, we will give you 18 videos. These 18 video, 8 were foundation and 10 were practice videos. So our 8 foundation videos are complete. 3 videos on VO basic, video 2, 15, 26, and 5 videos on grammar, 10, 20, 24, 29 and 34. So first watch these videos multiple times, make your basic strongs, and after this all these 10 different types of questions what can come in CAT we will be giving in each kind of video. Okay, so today we are going to discuss on a topic vocabulary based synonym and antonym. So in VA basics we have given you 2 videos, and in each video there were 35 different words. We discussed word meanings. Now one type of question which can come in CAT is simple. They will give you a word and ask you what is the nearest synonym or antonym. So we all know what is a synonym. Synonym means something which is similar or same in meaning, correct? And then there is the concept of antonym. Antonym means opposite in meaning. So just like I told you in vocab, no one can give you all the words possible, but we can tell you what kind of words are there, and then it is your daily practice. Similarly, in today's video what I have done is I have taken 10 antonym question and 10 synonym question just to give you the flavor. Rest is for your practice. Read more and more, read digitally, will help you in RC as well in VA. So first 10 questions are on synonyms. Synonyms means similar meaning. So just look for that word. If you don't know the meaning, try and understand the various things which are there and see which is the nearest one. So first is an easy word, slump. So what is meaning of slump? See, slump means something when there is some prolonged fall in the prices, or very steeply something is falling, we say na there is slump in the market. Okay, so fall is the closest meaning to that. Synonym will be fall. Next word, emulate. EMULATE. So emulate, what does emulate means is, emulate means to match or to surpass a person or achievement. So when you are matching or surpassing a person's achievement, typically by imitating. Okay, so it is not by your skills, you are imitating someone's success and doing that. So the nearest synonym to emulate will be imitate. Our word number 2. Let us move to the next word, word number 3 for synonyms. So in synonyms, just try and understand the word and within the option see the nearest one. Third is ingenuous. So INGENOUS. Meaning of ingenuous is someone showing innocence or childlike simplicity. So very innocent person, childlike person, that is the meaning of this word. So clearly the synonym will be option number C, which is innocent. Next, vivid. So vivid is a typical kind of word, and vivid as well as picturesque, 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 basically both of them mean something having appearance of a vigorous life or freshness. So we can say a very vivid scenery, a very vivid view, that is the meaning of vivid. So that will be its synonym. Let us move to the next word. Next word is fanatical. FANATICAL. So what does fanatical means? Meaning of fanatical is someone who is filled with excessive zeal. So zeal, that too in excessive. Now let's see, is there any word which means excessive zeal? Violent, no. Over enthusiastic, yes, to an extent. Apathetic, no. Calm, no. So clearly the answer will be over enthusiastic. When someone is over enthusiastic, he will be filled with zeal, and that is what is the meaning of fanatical. So it is the synonym. Mellifluous. MELLIFLUOUS. Meaning of mellifluous. So mellifluous basically means sound pleasing, smooth, something which is musical to hear, and clearly then in that case the synonym of that will be harmonic. Okay, let us move to the next word, our word number 7. Gambit, Gambit. So the meaning of gambit is act performed to gain advantage. So you are performing something to gain advantage, especially at the outset of a situation. Okay. And see, suffice means something which is sufficient. Sacrifice, you know. Malice is another word. Artifice by dictionary means the same as gambit. Delectable, Delectable. So meaning of delectable is greatly pleasing to the taste. Okay, pleasing to taste. Now pleasing to taste as such will not be given. You have to find synonym. Just see which words do not fit and kind of rule out. Horrible is something totally different. Palatable, if you don't know the meaning, look for other words. Disagreeable, no, something very different. Tasteless, this means pleasing to taste. See, have this question been of antonym? So correct answer would have been tasteless, because delectable means pleasing to taste and tasteless means without any taste. So this synonym question, this is ruled out. So our correct answer is palatable, Palatable. Let us move to the next question. Our ninth word, sumptuous, sumptuous, Sumptous, sumptuous. So meaning of sumptuous is something quite splendid and expensive looking. Okay, so something which is expensive looking. So economical, something if it is expensive looking, how can it be economical? Slender is also a different word, inferior is different word. Splendid somehow also means something which is expensive looking, very we can say up to the market. So that will be the closest synonym of sumptuous. Sumptuous. Abscond. See, abscond means to run away, to go away. Very simple kind of word. Demonstrate is something else, derive is something else, destroyed is something else, disappear is the correct answer, meaning your abscond. Okay friends, so this was the example of our synonym based questions in which we had to find a word meaning similar. Now being this antonym, first of all read the question carefully. Sometimes you might know the meaning, but just because of this mistake in synonym and antonym you might commit mistakes. So now we want to find something which is opposite in meaning. So dubious. So here the task increases. There we had to just find the meaning of the word and see the closest thing. Here you have to find the meaning and see something which is opposite in the meaning. So dubious means something which cannot be relied upon. Okay, which you cannot rely. So we have to find a word which means something on which we can rely. And what will be that? That can be believable, because believable means someone on you can rely. So believable is the correct antonym of dubious. Clandestine, Clandestine. So clandestine means something which is hidden. Okay, that is the meaning. Now we want to find something which means opposite. So forthright means something which is upfront. So opposite of hidden. Let us move to the next word, our word number 3. So our third word is indigenous, Indigenous. So indigenous basically means innate or original. Okay, so something which is original or which is innate, belonging to that particular place. Okay, so opposite to that will be acquired, not original, you are acquiring it, that will be the opposite one. Cognitive. So cognitive means something concerning the mind. Okay, related to mind or something which is logical. That kind of decisions or that kind of study is basically known as cognitive, a very common word. So we need to find something which is opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning to that will be illogical, because illogical will be something which is opposite to the logics, not related to the logic, that is illogical. Let us move to the next word, our fifth word. So fifth word is grappling, Grappling. So meaning of grappling means seize or hold. Seize or hold. Okay, that is which is grappling. Now see, if this was synonym question, we would have taken option B or C, but here it is antonym. Okay, so in case of antonym, it will be dodging, to dodge someone, that is antonym. Okay, let us move to the next part, which is malady. So malady basically means a disease or ailment. Disease or ailment. So antonym of that will be strength. because it is something which is opposite to it. Okay, so melody, opposite to that will be your strength. Let us move to the next one, seventh word. So our seventh word basically is pertinent. Friends, just a correction I will tell you. In our next set, by mistake here synonym has been mentioned. You just ignore this, and we are working on antonym. Synonym was first 10 words, antonym is next, and just ignore this upper instruction and go by what I am speaking. So meaning of pertinent. Pertinent means something relevant or applicable to a particular matter. Relevant or applicable, that is pertinent. So what will be opposite to this? Opposite to this will be inappropriate. Here it was relevant, here something inappropriate. Next is legitimate. Legitimate means conforming to law, legitimate citizen, legitimate person, conforming to law. So clearly you can say illegal is something which is opposite to this, legitimate. Let us move to the next word. Again, this will be antonym, ignore. Extremism. So meaning of extremism is holding of extreme political or religious views. So what can be opposite to it? See, hatred, frenzy, biased, all these are something which are kind of related to it. We have to find antonym. So correct antonym of this will be impartial. Let us move to the next word, demurral. So DEMURRAL. What is meaning of demurral? Demurral means deferment or interruption of something. Okay, when you are deferring something. So deferment or interruption is what demurral means. So what will be opposite? See, postponement, impedient, adjournment, they all means we are deferring something, but furtherance means something which is opposite to demurral. So this was our example of another antonym. So friends, see, through this 10 words of antonyms and 10 words of synonyms, the idea was to give you a flavor of kind of questions which can come. In the next video, my dear friends, we will do logarithm, a topic in CAT. Again, there might be many years consecutive question does not come, and like for example I will tell you personal story. In CAT 12 when I appeared, there were 2 questions of logarithm. So it can happen that in the same year 2 or even 3 questions come. So you need to be careful and understand. We will discuss in next video. I hope our today's video was clear to you. You have understood the concept of vocabulary based antonym synonym, very easy. Understand the word. If synonym question, similar meaning. If antonym, opposite meaning. In case of any doubts, you can write on miru.study@gmail.com or in the comment section. If you are liking the content, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you friends. Take care. Have a good day.